Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about inline styles, part of web technologies course. Inline styles refers to the method of applying CSS styles directly to individual HTML elements using the style attribute. The value of the style attribute is a list of CSS property value pairs separated by semicolons. Here is an example of an inline style. In this example, the color property is set to blue and the font size property is set to 18 pixels for the paragraph element. Inline styles are useful when you want to apply a unique style to a specific element on a web page and do not want to affect other elements with the same type. However, they can also make it difficult to maintain and update the styles of a website, as the styles are mixed with the HTML code rather than being separated in a separate style sheet. It is also important to note that inline styles have a higher specificity than other styles. This means that if a inline style and a style sheet style are conflicting, the inline style will be applied. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.